Okay, in homework 2 we're going to look at some intervals here. In the first row we can see we've got an open interval, and this section here says that x is between -7 and -4. And the thing we should pay careful attention to is this symbol. It shows that the value is not included. So to show that the value is not included, we should use an open bracket, like so. And the smallest value is -7, and the largest value -4. So we show that it's not included with a round bracket. On the number line, well, first we need to have our number line, and our values here we know that we've got -4, and -7 is smaller than that, so we're going to write it on the left hand side. And to make this very clear that it's not included, we're going to use a hollow dot above these values to show that they are not included, and the bit in between them is included, so we just connect them like this. Alright, so in the second row we've got a closed interval, and we see the values here are -5 and 2. So we can write a little build a notation here, x such that we've got x is between -5, and we can see that the dots here are coloured or filled, so we know that they can be included. So x is between -5 and -2, including those values, and we should also say that x is a real number since the whole region in between is included here. Alright, so to do this, you show that these values are included. This time we're going to use the square brackets. The smallest value is -5, the largest value is 2. Right, let's change colour for the third. We've got a half open interval, and now we've got 3 pieces of information. So we just have to draw up our number line again. And the values here we have -3 and 1 are the values we're interested in. And so we can see here that -3 is included and 1 is not, so it's a hollow dot above 1, a filled dot above 3, and it's the values in between there that are included. Alright, so down to the last couple. We've just given the intervals, and we're going to try and work out everything else. So we can see that we've got one part closed and the other half open. Well, that's half open. Open. And here we've got 2 opens, so that's totally open. Neither of those values are included. Alright, so now to write the set builder, we can say that we've got x such that, let's see if I can fit it in here, x such that we've got between -2, that value is not included because of this round bracket, so just the less than symbol there. And 6 is included, and of course x is a real number, we'll include there, but I don't have room. You should make sure you fill it in like this on your sheet. Here for this next one we have x such that x is, now because this is at -infinity, it's everything less than 4, and the best way we can say this is that x is less than 4. And here I think we should have room to say x is a real number. Great. Alright, so now let's draw up the number line for this one here. And the 2 values that are important are -2 and 6. Everything in between there is going to be included. 6 is included. -2 is not. Hollow dot for that. And for the last one, let's draw it a bit lower to have a bit of space here. The values we want are going to be, well, let's have 0 as a reference point, and 4 is going to be way over here. 4 is not included, so a hollow dot, and everything less than 4 like this. Another convenient way to remember the direction is to look at the direction of the inequality here. Less than 4, it's off to the left.